How to enable LED flash alerts on any Android smartphone? Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for flash notification. Now tap on flash alert and install the application. Now tap on open. Now tap on start. Now click on allow permission. Now enable the toggle for flash alerts on notification. Now tap on go to settings. Select flash alert and enable the toggle. Now tap on allow. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.